Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech Solution channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to temporarily disable Instagram. So guys, you can do one thing. You can deactivate your Instagram account if you want to disable, like temporary. So for that, go to Instagram, then go to your profile, tap on the three dot line. Now go to Account Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Then go to Account Ownership and Control. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Then choose here Deactivate Account. Then tap on Continue. And then you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, your account will be disabled or deactivate for temporarily. So guys, that's it. This is very easy to do. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.